what the two students came out with. The 21st century, you are going to have major problems all over the world. The biggest problem would be water, and second would be energy. In today's newspaper, it was the headlines that the Karnataka government is seriously contemplating to ban construction for the next 5 years. The major problem is water utilization as well as the supply of water. The whole of Bangalore city is one of the biggest cities in India, and which is known the world over as an IT city. This is what brings us to the water problem all over the world. Africa faces one of the major problems that as many as 6 months in a year, quite a lot of African cities and African states as well as African countries have major water drinking problems. This is something which needs to be addressed and taught to the young minds as well as the state as a whole and country as a whole. There is a lot of wastage of water in terms of when we even brush or when we even take shower or bath, when we even clean our houses, when we clean our cars, the water is kept running. So it should be brought to the people's notice that this is something which should be addressed very, very importantly. Same goes with the energy. See, the next level of energy should be solar energy, which should be developed in a country like India, which has got, it has got ample source of solar energy. This is something that all of natural resources that you have are
to feel the effect of climatic change. And mind it, we are the last generation who can do something about it. So that's the important point. We are the last generation who can make a change in whatever we do. It is good that I have been seeing the street being played. Very nice. I thank the management for ensuring that our kids are taught about water from the very small age that they are. And that's how we can plant it in their mind. We have the tool to prevent or to reduce the effect that we are going to see because of this climate change. We can help every day by small things that we do.
Places on the earth, and it brings smiles to 1 billion faces. A dream of providing clean drinking water to all the students of St. Bartholomew High School, Shorround, has ultimately become a reality through the CSR initiatives of Nestle India Limited. We are indeed fortunate and privileged to be the beneficiaries of the CSR initiative of Nestle India Limited company at Bisholi.